Suntex offers a wide range of tailor-made solutions for customer individual high-performance needs. Depending on meticulous work and with precision on equipment of modern technology, Suntex has provided hundreds of high-quality customer-made products including reusable thermal jackets, mattress, pads, blankets, ductwork connection, etc. By taking advantage of our knowledge of industrial textiles, it ensures us to select the suitable industrial textiles to meet the customer's requirements of high-performance needs. Suntex selects the most suitable and cost-effective materials to fabricate. The combination of the selected materials can be worked in the extreme environments of the temperature from -60 degrees C to 1100 C and chemical corrosion.